This is Comcast Newsmakers.
Hi, I'm Tonya Caruso. Welcome to this edition of Comcast Newsmakers, helping countless people in our community for the past 30 years. Joining us as our newsmaker this half hour is Carol Mitchell, who is the president and CEO of Verland. Thank you so much for coming in and talking with us today.
Thank you for having me, Tonya.
So begin by telling me a little bit about your organization and what you do.
Okay. We're 30 years old this year. We started on July 1st, 1978, sort of born out of a crisis. I worked at Western Center, which was a large state institution in Canonsburg from 63 to 73. And while I was there, I met a beautiful little boy when he was 9 years old in 64, and he was self-abusive. I had never seen anything like that, and we sort of fell in love. When I changed jobs in 73, his parents had him transferred to come to the place I was running. And he was there for several years, and in 1978, on very short notice, they decided to close. And I thought, oh my, what are we going to do? I didn't want David to go back to Western, and I thought, well, his friends shouldn't go back either. At Western, I had met a woman, Theo Hansel, who's one of the three founders, and her son was intellectually disabled, and that's what we do. We serve people with intellectual disabilities. She had introduced me to a dear friend, Nancy Chelfin, who also had a daughter, and that's where the name comes from. V-E-R-L for Verlinda, her daughter, A-N for Andrew, Theo's son, and D for my David. So I thought, well, could we do this? And we did do it. And so in 3 short months, we pulled the initial funding together, had the plan, the business plan, and in 1981 in January, we moved 70 people into 10 new homes in Sewickley, and we had 2 small group homes in Moon Township. The group was largely Christian men and women, so we were very rooted in the Judeo-Christian belief that every human being and every life is precious. And we have sort of made that our hallmark at Verland. So it's intensely personal because it started out being intensely personal to us. We have, we serve 222 people with intellectual disabilities, including autism, and also we have 1 special home where the people are not intellectually disabled, just very physically disabled. We have homes, 52 homes in 4 counties. We have 4 major adult training facilities, about 550 terrific staff, and a really, really sharp board of directors. Most of us don't realize we're all just temporarily able-bodied. You can fall down, you can miss a step, and you could wake up tomorrow having an intellectual disability, and it should be on our hearts.
Well, we thank you so much for coming in and talking with us today. We certainly do appreciate it.
Thank you.
I'm Tonya Caruso. Thank you at home for joining us. We'll see you next time on Comcast Newsmakers.